another video on eyebrow tutorial. This one is a little different. We're trying to do a beginner friendly tutorial, so I'll be explaining everything as opposed to fast forwarding every step of the tutorial. So we'll start by shaping the brows by brushing. Then I'll be using Davis eye pencil in number 3. First of all, you have to sharpen it to make it easier. To make it easier to draw the lines. The first line you make is at the bottom of your brow, depending on the natural shape of your brow. So you draw a line on the bottom of the brow, shaping the brow. You'll then draw another line at the top of the brow to complete the shape that you've chosen. When you're satisfied with the shape of the brow, you then proceed to filling it out with the brow product that you're using. For us, we're using the Davis eye pencil, so you'll fill that out. Then ensure you're not making blunt lines at the start of the brow. Make light strokes, upward strokes with your eye pencil to make the brow to look more natural. Then I make sure that the end part of the brow is darker compared to the front part to make it look a little bit more natural. So as you can see, there is a difference between the right and the left brows. On one side, I have a bomb looking eyebrow. On the other side, you can count the number of hairs on my brow. So the next step is to brush and remove excess product at the front part of the brow, and even the brow out. The first part should be a little lighter than the end of the brow. Then we'll go to the next step of cleaning up the brow to make it look perfect. I'm using a brush and a Legal Pro concealer. Put a little product. I put on my hand, then scoop it just a little bit using the brush. Then proceed to line the bottom part of your eyebrow and cleaning up excess product, eye pencil product, and removing any blunt lines. You have to be precise in this part, and also, as you can see, I'm blending out the product downwards to my eyelid. This will remove the halo look that's created by the concealer, especially when it's a little bit lighter than your skin tone. So you have to keep blending and blending to remove excess product. The next step is doing the same process but on the upper part. I used a little bit less product here because it's hard to blend concealer, especially if it's a little bit more matte. So use concealer that's the tone is better suited to your skin tone than lighter. Also, sometimes, mostly, I usually use my foundation for the upper part, but for the sake of this tutorial I used a legal concealer. Yeah, I'm blending some more because I've noticed there's a little bit more product at the bottom part, so I'm bringing it down to my eyelid. Keep shaping the brow. You can use more product. You can even go back with the eye pencil to create the shape that you want and to make the lines more even. I'm satisfied with the shape and I liked it, so I'll do the other part of camera. I really did like this shape. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I hope you can come back again and again to watch it so that you can get perfect and learn something about shaping your eyebrows. Do like the video, subscribe to my channel of course, and you can share if you know or you think it can help someone else. I'll see you in another video, hopefully soon. Also, look out for another video. I'll be showing you the final makeup look that I did with that on this particular day, and how I blended everything, the concealer, and how to blend in with your foundation to remove the bluntness of the color of the foundation. Thank you so much, and bye. I'll see you soon.